I make a review of the AVANTEK wireless remote control outlet. This is truly an amazing product. It can be used right off the box by just plugging it in onto any outlet. The quality of this product is very good. The buttons are easy to feel and the plastic feels really good in the hand. The outlet has a memory function which is charged by a built-in battery. It also comes with a remote control which can be used to control the outlet easily. The remote control is designed to pair with at most 4 outlets, and you have the ability to control all the outlets at the same time. The outlet also has an option where it has a very nice bright LCD screen which displays the time with nice bright bold numbers. It's small, it's portable, and a hassle-free product to use. Overall, I would say it's a great product and a great buy. I received this product in return for my honest unbiased review. However, the opinions are my own.